All right. The sun is up, so I can show you guys a better look at all the icicles. Look at that. I'm going to touch it. Let's see. That is a umbrella, frozen solid. Well, isn't that neat? Icicles. Don't mind me, I'm just drinking my hot tea. Look at that thick ice. Ooh. It is a very thick layer of ice. The sun's up, and the twig is still frozen. That is a thick layer of just frost. Let's see. Do you think my strawberries are gonna make it? Do you think my strawberry plants are going to survive the frost? They're frozen green. Everything else is, of course, frozen. I don't know. Ooh. I'm not sure. Let's take a look at the garden. Let's take a closer look. Frozen plants. How's the arugula doing? The arugula is absolutely frozen. Every flower frozen. Herbs and plants and whatnot. Ooh. Nice. Nice indeed. I think he'll be cold for a little bit. For a while.